Hi guys, it's Mackenzie Deacons again, and I've had a lot of you ask questions on how to apply the magnetic lashes and the eyeliner. So I'm gonna just do a quick tutorial on how to use the eyeliner and the lashes. It's so easy. Okay, so you just take your liner, looks like this, right? And you take your eye and pull it to the side. I currently have my eyelash extensions, they're just dwindling. So it's a little tricky with eyelash extensions because mine curl up, but I'm gonna show you how to do it. So you just pull your eye, right? This is your eye. And you just do a line, just a line right next to your lash line. Just like that. Just get a little bit right here. And then you'll want to dry. Wait for it for about 30 seconds for this first layer to dry. So after it's dried a little bit, you take this, you go for round two layers. Love it, okay? And again, I kind of start right here, not right at the crack because it seems to go on really thick right at the beginning, and that's with all liquid eyeliners. And then I come up to the front and do a little bit of touch-up work there. Perfect. Just along the lash line. I like to do a little flip out right there, kind of vintagey, cute. You don't have to do that. Okay, and then you're going to blow dry it for 1 minute. Well, you don't need to blow dry, you just wait 1 minute, but I like it to be really, really dry when I put my magnetic lashes on. Okay, I am using Ladies Night Out. I love this length. It is a fun, dramatic length, but I feel like I just always need some drama in my life. I love it. Okay, so then easy peasy, you just put it right next to where the, oops, I just blinked. Good. And it honestly just follows along right where your, right where it was, right where you put your eyeliner. So that's how easy it is. You just apply it just like any other liquid eyeliner. It's so easy. And wait, do 2 applications, wait for a minute and just do other things with your makeup. And then at the very end, apply your lashes. And then you look absolutely amazing. Ah. Okay, you guys, thank you so much. Click on the link below, order your eyeliner and false eyelashes. You'll love them. They're $55 for the 2. I love you so much. Thank you, goodbye.